Welcome to Peachtree Cottage in Haseley Knob. This beautifully presented, spacious and extended country cottage is located in the quintessential hamlet of Haseley Knob, situated within easy reach of Leamington, Warwick and Stratford, and having internal accommodation briefly comprising 3 first-floor bedrooms, open-plan lounge and dining room, well-proportioned kitchen, utility room, ground floor wet room and bathroom with separate shower. Having lawned gardens to 3 elevations, a large gravel driveway providing off-road parking for 5+ cars and a detached double garage. Let me show you around. Just heading through the front door here and stepping into Peach Cottage. We'll start off in this large open plan living and dining room here, which has got a part vaulted ceiling. Now this area measures in excess of 18 foot by 20 foot, and you'll see in the far right hand corner there we've got a large inglenook fireplace, engineered oak flooring throughout this area as well, and we've got dual aspect windows which are all double glazed to both front and rear elevations. The property benefits from a modern oil fired central heating boiler, which is a Worcester Bosch model, and we have a recent bunded tank outside as well. So there you'll see the inglenook fireplace with log burning stove, lovely stone hearth and surround, the wonderful timber mantle on there as well. As I say, double glazed windows to both front and rear elevations. And you'll see from here we've got an oak staircase with glass panels heading up to the first floor landing. Ample room in here for both living and dining furniture. It's not a great deal in here at the moment because the current owner is just in the process of thinning things down for the move. But as we can see, lots and lots of space in this property, no problem at all for that. Right, heading through, we've got doorway into the modern kitchen, which is a range of solid oak fronted wall and base mounted units with these are real marble work surfaces here, and you've got a 1 1/2 bowl sink and drainer. On the side here we've got a Rangemaster 110 electric range cooker, and there's also an integrated full-size AEG dishwasher in there as well. Another large double glazed window to the front elevation, and you've got ample space just under there if you wanted to have additional storage or cupboards put in as well. Turning back through, so straight ahead of us now is the utility room. Again, really good space, measuring something in the region of 11 foot by 8 foot, so very big utility room. Space and plumbing for washing machine and tumble dryer. There's another stainless steel sink in here. Further wall and base mounted storage units as well. But further to that, we have ample space for a chest freezer and an upright fridge freezer should you wish. Loads more character features in here as well, so you've even got exposed timbers in the utility room as well as the kitchen. Let me just angle that camera down slightly, there we go. And frosted glass, both window and door, which open up into this incredible wet room. So in here you've got vaulted ceiling with Velux style roof lighting, as well as obscured double glazed windows to both side and rear elevations. Now that's travertine flooring, and all the walls are covered in travertine tile as well. You've also got a dual headed shower, so you've got a waterfall style shower head just above there and a separate shower head attachment as well. Wall mounted wash hand basin. And then just around the corner here, we've also got a low-level WC. In addition, there are actually 2 centrally heated towel rails in here as well. So that's the ground floor. Let's just have a quick recap of that. So you've got the 20 foot by 18 foot, or just over actually, open plan living and dining room. This wonderful fitted kitchen with these beautiful marble work surfaces, metro tiling to all splashbacks and ceramic tiling on the floor. Then you've got a well-proportioned utility room. Further to that, you've got the ground floor wet room, and if we head up this wonderful solid oak staircase, we'll show you the bedrooms. So straight ahead of us is bedroom 2. And as you can see, there's a further staircase going up into a loft room as well. So bedroom 2 is a 3/4 room really. That's a full-size single in there at the moment, but you could squeeze in a 4-foot double as a guest. But you've also got 2 really big built-in storage wardrobes. Further to that, there's also space for a chest of drawers underneath the stairs should you wish. And you've got views out the back over the lawned garden. If I can pitch that down, bear with me. There we go. Over the lawned garden and surrounding area. Right. Now, I am not going to go up the stairs because unfortunately with the camera rig, I don't fit. So you'll have to look at the photographs and take my word for it and have a look at it when you come up on the viewings. But you have alternate paddle stairs going up. And if I can pitch up like this, you'll see it is a pitched roof up there. There is decent head height. I'm 6'1" and I can stand up there, no problem at all. On the rear side of the property, you've got Velux style roof lights. And on the front side of the property, you've actually got a built-in workbench as well, or study space. So make a great kids study room, good home office, great dressing room or playroom. Now heading down the landing, we've got bedroom 3. This is a good single. So it's full-size single bed in there. But again, this one benefits from 2 full height built-in storage wardrobes. So really, you don't need anything else in there apart from the bed. You've also got large double glazed window to the front elevation, which gives you views over the gardens. And we're well set back from the road here as well, which I'll show you in just a second. On my right-hand side, that's a storage cupboard or airing cupboard, if you want that to be. And then we step through into the master bedroom. Now this is a really nice size double room here. Currently housing a full-size double bed. And in here we've also got a feature fireplace with wrought iron fire, double glazed window to the front elevation. And then you've got the central heating radiator there as well. Stone and mullioned windows on this one. And if I spin around, you've also got exposed stone wall there as well. Now down the side of that, you've got a recessed area and another really, really deep built-in storage cupboard. It's also a loft access hatch just above in there, so there's an additional loft storage area as well. But through this solid timber doorway, we walk into the most wonderful ensuite. So you've got a slipper style bath on your left hand side there, freestanding. Wall mounted wash hand basin, low level WC with dual flush, and then a separate step-in shower cubicle with sliding glass screen and dual headed shower. Centrally heated towel rail, metro style wall tiling, lovely ceramic tiling to the floor, and you've got an obscured double glazed window to the rear elevation as well. A really rather beautiful, beautiful ensuite. Right, let's recap in full. So 3 first floor bedrooms, all of which benefit from built-in storage cupboards. The master has an ensuite with bath and shower. On the ground floor, we've got a 20-foot plus by 18-foot plus open plan kitchen, living room and dining room, as well as a modern fitted kitchen and utility with a ground floor wet room. French doors here from the living and dining room actually open out onto the laundry garden, which is westerly facing. That's locked at the moment. So I'll tell you what, we're going to go out through the front door. So rather than trying to turn a key whilst holding this camera rig, I will take you around. So, foregarden, as you can see, you've got a lawned area here which is fence enclosed, well-stocked plants and shrub board as well, large footpath, and straight ahead of us there, which I'll show you in just a second, is the detached double garage. But let's head round to the side of the house because the garden continues round there. As I said, well-stocked plants and shrub borders and beds. There's the new bunded tank as well. And then on the left-hand side here, just in the corner of the shop, you'll see there's a boiler, which is the oil-fired central heating boiler, which, as I said, is a Worcester Bosch one. So, heading into the side garden here, and then we'll go round to the rear garden. And as I say, this is westerly facing. So as you can see right now, and the time is about 4 o'clock, I think, you're capturing loads and loads of sun down here. So it's a lovely place to have afternoon and evening meals. Just get you a shot of the rear elevation of the house here. So all the extensions, as you can see, are pitched roofed and tiled. So no flat roofs or anything like that to worry about. And then to the front of the property is that detached double garage. So let me tell you about that. So it's a detached double garage benefiting from power and lighting. It's got a side access door for pedestrian access, as well as an electrically operated up and over garage door to the front. In addition, there's also a drop-down ladder with a converted loft storage area in there, which is actually plastered and has power and lighting as well. So you could, in theory, convert that into some sort of office space or playroom or something of that sort if you wished. So I'm not going to focus on the garage for too long because I think there's a lot of stuff in there, but side access door there, and then we'll head out onto this wonderful driveway. And as you can see, we've got off-road parking for 5+ cars, maybe even more. It's gated at the far end as well with wrought iron style double gates. I'm just going to spin around here. Ooh, sorry, camera didn't like that. And show you the garage. And as I say, it's detached from the house, double garage, and it's oversized up and over garage door. And if memory serves correctly, 18'9" by 16'6", something of that sort. But don't quote me on that. So it's a really good size. And there we have it, Peach Cottage, Haseley Knob in Warwickshire. If you have any further questions relating to this or any of the other properties on our books, please feel free to give me a call. My name's Matthew Correll. Thank you for watching.